Hi friends. So today we are going to talk about the Indian jungle crow, or it is commonly called as the Corvus macrorhynchus. Not many bird watching people like this bird because it making a lot of noise. Well, a typical characteristic to identify this bird in the forest, you can really find a high glossy jet black color in the entire body. It having a heavy bill. A beak is a kind of a heavy one, and regarding the size, it is slightly bigger as compared to the common crow or the house crow, but slightly smaller as compared to the kite. So these are the few characteristics you can instantly identify these bird in the forest. When this bird having a much heavy and the deeper voice, thus that's the way like many people are getting irritated because of the voice. Both male and female sexes are similar, and both are involving on the parental care. If we talk about the habitat, then this bird prefer to stay in the forest or the jungle, or you can find these birds in outside the villages. It's a omnivorous. Jungle crow are the omnivorous birds. They usually prefer to eat meat. They can eat the dead carcass, frogs, lizards, centipedes, insects, small birds, and so on. But they also prefer to eat fruits or jungle berries in the forest. Well, if we talk about the nesting, then in Indian peninsular region, they start nesting somewhere from the December to March. But in the western side, they started making nest and laying egg little bit later, somewhere from the April to the May. So these are the few basic tips about this bird. But some very interesting fact about the bird. If you found this bird in the forest, then it's a treasure of information. If it is making a lot of noise, then it might possible that a big cat or uh, mm, other dangerous animal might be near to you, or it can also hint you whether if they are flying on the sky and then rotating somewhere outside, then you can find either they are chasing a big cat or a hunting animal, or they manage to find a carcass. So basically these are the few tips usually many hunters are following, and these tips are very useful for the survival. Regarding the nest and the parental care, both male and female involving on the parental care. Usually they lay the eggs somewhere above 10 feet. Usually prefer the strong trees compared to the small twigs or the small trees. Koel. Koel prefer to lay down the eggs in the jungle crow, and jungle crow act as a very good foster parent. So well, you can't find those kind of things in the other birds. So these are the few characteristics make the jungle bird as the unique one. It's a very intelligent bird, and it can provide you a lot of information if you are visiting a forest. So keep following this bird.